Hello everyone, myself Engineer Dharmender Kumar, Assistant Professor in Electrical Engineering Department. Today we are discuss distributed generation as an alternating pathway. Introduction. Distributed generation, also known as on-site generation, distributed resources, distribute energy resources or dispersed power in the use of small scale power generation technologies located close to load being served. IEEE defined the generation of electricity sufficiently smaller than central plants, so as to allow interconnection at any point in the power system as distributed generation. It includes the generation of electricity from a few kilowatt to 50 megawatt. Why distributed generation? First, backup tools, crisis saving, transmission loss reduction, electricity to all, immediate setup for a new power demands. It means when the load is increases, we are immediately set up for a new power demands. Technological option. Distributed generation are of two types. One is non-renewable fuels and other side is renewable fuels. Renewable fuels further are different types. First one is wind energy, solar energy, hydrogen energy, biomass and hydro energy. Wind energy run the wind turbines, as same solar energy run the solar thermal energy, and hydro is to use water to generate electricity. And other side is non-renewable fuels. These are further types is diesels, natural gases, kerosene and natural gases and natural gases. Distributed generation are of different type. We generate electricity with different manners. First one is, let us say suppose with the help of hydroelectricity plants, with the help of hydropower plant, and second one is coal plants, and next one is nuclear power plant, wind farms and solar farms. In this system we generate electricity with the hydroelectric plants and given to a common line, and same as nuclear plant generate electricity to give a common line, that is transmission line, as same as coal plant also gives the supply to a common line. And we are generate electricity with different manners, such as wind farm, it also generate electricity to give a main line, main distribution line, and same as with the help of solar we generate electricity to give a main line, that is distribution line. Percentage distribution of renewable energy production. We generate electricity with the solar energy, that is 24% in India, and wind energy 18%, biomass we generate 16%, yes, same geothermal energy generate 10% and hydroelectric energy 32%. Direct generation technologies, that is fuel waste. Any fuel is burned in a steam boiler, then this steam moves with the move to run a steam turbine. This turbine run the generator and generator generate electricity. Most of the non-renewable direct generation technique work on the principle that the high velocity exhaust gases or steam coming from the boiler and rotate the turbine, which in turn produces electricity. And after this steam is working, then it moves to a condenser. Condenser convert this steam to a water, and this water now further move in a steam boiler. This is a process to generate electricity. Next one is advantages of solar power generation. It is easy installation, low maintenance, flexible, used for higher load as well as moderate load, can be installed on rooftop or in open land, pollution free and clean power. Solar electricity make your home go off the grid. It means solar energy, with the help of solar, it convert electricity. This electricity is charging the solar battery with the help of solar panels. This charging battery is given to our house. Same as next one is hydroelectric dams. We catch the water in a dam. The lower part of the dam is we take as a penstock. This penstock water pressure run the turbine. This turbine also rotate the generator, and generator generate electricity. This small electricity is given to a transformer. After this transformer step up the supply voltage and move to a high transmission line, and the water from turbine, it goes through a river. Next one, advantages of wind turbine. Minimum land requirement. Next, easy maintenance although high initial cost, wide range of operation, clean source of energy, can be built on existing farm and ranches. Wind turbine technology. With the high pressure wind, we rotate the winds, and this run the 3-phase alternator, that is generate AC supply. This AC supply now convert in DC supply with the help of rectifiers. After rectifiers, we use a filter circuit to convert pure DC. This pure DC and then given to a inverters. Inverter convert DC supply to AC supply, and after this is given to a transformer. Then transformer step up the supply voltage. So, with the help of wind turbine, we generate high power of energy. Biomass electricity generation. With the help of biomass, we combustion the biomass and then generate steam in a steam boiler. It means we use biomass and to water convert into steam. This converting steam then given to a steam turbine, and steam turbine run a generator, that is synchronous generator. This AC supply now given to a transformer, and transformer step up the supply voltage. After steam using to run this system, the steam is moved to condense, and this condensed steam convert into water, and after this water pumping through move to a steam boiler. This process is continue to move and generate electricity with the help of biomass. Terawatt hours per year generation. This graph indicates that with the help of hydro, the maximum energy is generated. Now, next point is the wind is number second. It means with the help of wind energy we generate electricity, and next one is with the help of solar, and next one is bio. This graph indicates in 1980 only hydro energy is used to convert the electricity. After 1998 and till date we use wind, solar or biomass to convert electrical energy. Conclusion: the distributed generation help us to reduce the cost of the transmission line and the transmission losses. Distributed generation playing important role in the field of electricity generation. Pentrate of distributed generation can be successfully integrated with the power system as long as interconnected design meet the basic requirement. It means to say we use number of generating plant, it means with this generating plant we use energy, not a single method we use electrical energy. Thank you.